Hello amazing people, welcome back to my channel. It's House of Adike. Today I'm actually going to the cinema. As you can see, I'm in the train. Because I'm talking so low, I'm in the train at the moment. I'm going to see the movie Behind the Scene by Akindele. So I really hope it's a nice experience and a nice movie. So come with me guys. So before going to the cinema, we actually stopped at Afro restaurant. We just had dinner, yeah, with the birthday girl, yes. So part of the birthday celebration. So now we're off to the cinema. Hi, so we're in Birmingham now. Yeah, we are at the cinema now. A really long day. Like the movie was nice, like big thumbs up to Funke Akindele Behind the Scene. Highly recommend that you all go watch it this December, this Christmas period. It's a mind-blowing movie. So we're on the train now going back home. It's late already. Yes, we're on the train going back home now. So guys, it's been a really lovely long day. So thank you guys for coming this far. Please do want to click on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much.
Tipton, Cosley.